Yes, and it's your girl, Renice Washington, aka Wellness Queen. And this year, I am introducing and getting us ready for the 2024 to 2025 school year. So let's get into it. Now, before we get into this year and the different things and about what Wellness Wednesdays are and what Spring Health is, I first off want to thank every single staff member for their continued dedication and hard work throughout the summer and through the upcoming school year. Please know that people see your work, they value it, and without you, nothing in this district goes round. So thank you so much. And I also want to encourage you all to prepare yourselves mentally as we begin this next school year. My hope is for everyone to feel optimistic and purposeful for the new year. But if you don't, what are some things that are going to get you there, okay? Now, let's get into our resources. If you're new here, I want to introduce you to the concept of Wellness Wednesdays. So each Wednesday, I will be sending out a newsletter in which we will be discussing a different theme or concept of that week surrounding wellness, whether it's, different strategies or different concepts to consider. But it also invites you to consider different activities that exist through the district, whether they be mental, emotional, or physical wellness activities, but also different things offered from Spring Health. Wellness Wednesdays are also an opportunity for a little trivia, but also community check-in as I ask questions and hopefully get responses from you all. Now, in addition to Wellness Wednesdays, which are created by me for, here in the district, we also have an amazing resource, which is our Employee Assistance Program, or EAP. For us, that would be Spring Health, which is a fantastic organization really dedicated to eliminating barriers to mental health resources. For us, the great thing is, one, we start off the year with 3 free sessions. So shout out to you, use them up, okay, however you want to. But additionally to those 3 free sessions, Spring Health has a plethora of options. If you are looking for something that's not particularly clinical, you can always check in with different activities, mindfulness reminders, or different anxiety, breathing activities or things like that. You can do coaching. You could also talk to somebody about different work-life balance habits and things like that. But if you find yourself needing more support, they also have therapy and medication management. So the great thing about our EAP is that it provides a plethora of options. And so if you need something more intense, they got you. And if you just need a check-in, they got you as well. Now, one of the things that I hear often when it comes to Spring Health is, what can we see and what can they see? And so here you should be seeing a utilization chart that really just shows how many people are signed up through the district and different things that they're utilizing. It's important for me to be transparent with you all so that you know that confidentiality is our number one priority, in addition to making sure that you get the resources you need, because you deserve. So this is just a little tidbit about what wellness is going to look like here in the district. We're going to continue doing Wellness Wednesdays. We're going to continue with our EAP, but we're also going to continue to add more physical activities. And my hope is that the ultimate wellness, which is community, is going to continue to be encouraged throughout the district. So look out for any district-wide events. This is my welcome back, but also my love letter to all educators. I am appreciative of your time as well as your resources as amazing professionals. So let's get ready for the school year.